Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, yeah, I am back here again at Superior Auto Sales. They have sold a ton of cars, so the inventory is always going to be changing. But like I always say, please subscribe, share, and like, and hit a comment down below. And their website is sascars.com. So we're going to go through some of these cars. Some of them you've seen, some of them you haven't. But this truck is still here. You know, I mean, it's not like it's a cheap truck. I mean, you guys have seen this one a couple of times. They had a couple of bites on it, but unfortunately, some people just couldn't get the financing on it. So, I mean, it is a cool truck. And hopefully, you know, somebody will pick this truck up. I'll show you the inside of it again really quick. Even though I am not going to hop up in this thing because it is huge. It's got to be a little tough to get in and out of it. I'm going to show you guys underneath, but one thing I'm going to do for you guys, because I seen this car and I know it just came in from Barrett Jackson. So I'm going to show you guys really quick because I have to keep talking because unfortunately they had the radio going and you know, I don't want to get it hit with anything. So real quick. Yeah, I mean, it's dirty, but it's this one came right out of Barrett Jackson. I mean, right there's the sticker on it. So this one came out of Barrett Jackson. I'm gonna sneak this in really quick. Yeah, 65 Cobra. I mean, this car is really pretty. I used to build these years ago. I used to work for a kit car company. But this one I really can't go through it. I'm just showing you guys a quick sneak peek. And it is actually signed by Carol Shelby. How nice is that? Wow. I am just doing this really fast because they don't know I'm back here. So I'm gonna get out of here really quick and head myself up front here. So I'll just show you the trucks they got really quick because they're trying to figure a couple of things out on the inside here. And here is this convertible Cadillac again. You guys have seen this one. I'm sure this one will find a home somewhere down the line. This one, you guys have seen this one too, but they have sold a lot of the other inventory. So we're gonna kind of head inside here. Here's, you know, their work area, everything that they do. So head inside. And the GTR, they just sold this one. I showed you guys this one when it was outside. I'm absolutely in love with this car. This car is so nice. And now I can kind of show you guys the inside of it. Even though it is sold, but I'm gonna sit in it anyways. Paddle shifting, all that. Oh, this car is so nice. What year is this? 2012. But yeah, this is really nice car. Oh, I'd love to have this. One thing I noticed they don't put sunroofs in these cars, probably because of, you know, structure support. Yeah, this I really like, but I can't stay in it long because it is sold. Couple older Camaro, but I know these ones have 0 miles, like hardly any miles on them. This one right here, I've showed you this one outside when it was running once before. Yeah, this one is a special edition too. And there's Carfaxes on all of them, just like always. Can't remember which edition this is again. It's a special one. Now we haven't filmed one of these yet. Grand National. But if you look on their website, sascars.com, you will find a full breakdown in any single car that's here, the mileage on it, price. You know, like I said, they always do a Carfax. This car is perfect. I mean, look down those quarter panels. There's no waviness. I know it's a little dark in here, but keeping the lights down because it is warm outside. We will look under the hood. There you go. This car is super clean. And this car is all original. Everything on it. And I'm sure they probably changed something, you know, some little things here and there. Take a look at the inside. Yep, 19,000 miles. That's it, 19,952. Here's your boost gauge. I don't know if these cars ever came with that. I can't remember. I have not sat in one of these in so long. So, this car is really nice. Headliner's perfect. Wow. The old AC Delco radios from the 80s. Yeah, the only one temp and all. I think these are, I don't know if these were put in or if they came factory. If you guys know, please leave a comment down below, because I have not been inside of one of these cars in such a long time. I don't remember what they came with and what they didn't. So just want to close the door gently here. Yep. There you go. This Corvette, they brought this one out. I filmed this one a while ago too. They had it put away for a while. A Chevy Camaro official pace car. May 29, 2011. Indianapolis 500. And I'm sure this car had dirt for mileage, stick shift. Let's head outside real quick, because there was a Cadillac outside I wanted to look at. So, even though it belongs to one of the guys that work here, but I still want to look at it. I don't care. Nice big motorhome. I don't think you're interested in the minivan, but they have them. This car is really cool. Let's see really quick what year it is. 62. Wow. It's a pretty car. That's a big, big car. That is a land yacht. Like I said before, they have sold a lot of cars out of here. I mean, they come and go out of here pretty quick. I mean, some cars stay here because they're higher priced. It just depends on the market, depends on the buyer. You know, you got Jaguars and Audis, Mercedes. I think it's just a regular Grand Cherokee. I don't think it's a Trackhawk. No, I thought it was. I'd be able to tell because the rims would be different. And you're gonna hear traffic noise like always, because we're on a busy road. Oh, Mini Cooper and little Fiat. Too small for me. And Goon Squad in the middle of finishing up one of these in Toyota Supra in 2020. Yeah. 240 going by. I had a couple of those. They're fun cars. Unfortunately, they just rot out. And Toyota Supras are fun. This sharp looking car. When they had this in the showroom, I sat in it, and I mean, the front end of this car is really, really long. It is. Mercedes. Some Porsches. Actually, Porsche, should I say. All the other ones they sold. A radar detector. Yeah, someone's driving it. SL 550. These are nice cars. Definitely are. And a Porsche. And I got some of your, quite a few Mustangs here. But the one on the end, I know they just got in. These ones are pretty good. Some convertibles, nice summertime cars. 3 convertibles, 1 hardtop. No, 4 convertibles. I got a GT. But this orange one on the end. I know this one is not your typical. Can't really get the camera in there too much. But this is the Boss 302. I know they just got this one in. If I remember correctly, the mileage is really, really super low. Yeah, it's definitely a nice car. Yeah, they got quite a few Mustangs. Quite a few of them. And they got your bigger SUVs. They always have those. A lot of people like them. And they got your little BMW. And they got some older ones. And I got some of your, that's the one thing I like about this place. You know, they have your high-end stuff, your muscle cars, your sports cars, and then they have everyday cars too. You know, a car to suit every need, I guess you can say. Nothing wrong with that. And then it's nice and hot out today. And you know what? I'm not complaining, because pretty soon here we're at the middle of August, and once September starts rolling around, it starts cooling off. I am not a fan of the snow. That's when all the filming gets done on the inside, and I mean, I don't mind it, but I'd rather be outside. Yeah, nice. Got a lot of nice vehicles here. They always do. I mean, I live nearby, and every time I drive by, I always look to see what they have anyways. So. And they got your everyday trucks, Harley Davidson edition, nice big dually. So. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this one up because there's an airplane coming over and you probably won't be able to hear me. So, like I always say, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. It helps. I'm trying to build my channel and extend my YouTube family. So please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.